Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Just outside. It's like the fifth day of raining, guys. And I know a lot of you are panicking right now because Bitcoin's gone down a little bit. It's only down like 4%. Come on, guys, wake up. And one of the reasons that we're seeing Bitcoin down right now is that some of the leverage longs are being wrecked, getting out of there. So this is some manipulation going on, but there's still a lot of data. The macroeconomics and everything is looking pretty good, pretty peachy keen for crypto right now. So guys, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Things are going to pop up, things are going to go up, guys. So don't panic in the house, guys. Keep calm, and remember, if you want to, create life-changing wealth, the only thing you got to do is dollar cost average when you can, buy the dips when you can, and if you can't do that because you're running out of funds, then the only thing you can do is just have diamond hands on hodl, guys. So, last year we saw that last year at Christmas, Bitcoin was at $23,000, guys. So if you guys had just done one thing, and that was just, have diamond hands and hodl, you'd be like, almost 3x up, guys. So that's what you got to do. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. We got lots to talk about, guys. Absolutely lots to talk about. So, guys, buckle up. Let's get it. Don't panic. This is just a little, it's not even a correction. Come on, guys. 4%, 5% is nothing. Come on. Wake up, guys. Stop being silly, guys. And let's get it, guys. So, don't forget to go down there and smash the likes.
Alright guys, let's get into the content. Let's jump down the rabbit hole with the OG in-house, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go down there once again, smash the likey, subscribe, and if you're watching in the live stream, don't forget to give a comment and a super chat, guys. Let's go down the rabbit hole right now. Let's take a look at the prices right now. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is off around 3.85%. And Ethereum is down as well. And we're seeing that the whole markets are down right now. And we're down about anywhere from 3.5% to 3.4%. Now, a lot of you out there are panicking. Guys, stop it. There's absolutely insane gains to be moved in 2022. This bull run is absolutely not over, guys. And, we're seeing a little bit of profit taken. And one of the reasons why we're seeing the whole markets down right now is because of greedy leverage traders, guys. We're seeing that the funding rate is, insane. And I'm going to show you how many people who got wrecked in the last 24 hours. It's going to blow your mind, guys. It's totally insane in the membrane, guys. So right now we're seeing that the total number of people that got wrecked in the last 24 hours, we're seeing $311 million worth of leverage longs got wrecked, guys. They're out of there. So we're seeing that a whole huge number of people got wrecked right now, and we can see that the funding rate right now is, open interest and funding rate is a real issue right now, and a lot of people went nuts, and a lot of this is, a lot of retail investors, what they've done is they took leverage long positions on the biddy, and they bet that biddy is going to go up, guys, and when we have massive accumulation of leverage long positions, what happens is you get wrecked. Remember, you guys have to understand that there is manipulation, and the market makers are going to manipulate the market to the max pain level so you get wrecked. And that's why fundamentally right now we're seeing that Bitcoin went down. That's it, guys. Once again, the greedy longs in the house got wrecked, and don't worry about it. It's going to bounce back, guys, because we have 312 million people got wrecked, guys. $312 million, guys, in 24 hours. It's insane. So we're seeing that Bitcoin was the number one with 96 million. We saw Ethereum, we saw Luna, because a lot of people, when they see Luna going up and they see that the TVL, if we look at the TVL for Luna right now, even though that the markets have gone down, we can still see that the total TVL, let me give this a minty refresh, even though that Luna has been going down, the TVL is still number 2, guys. So once again, we're seeing that the leverage longs thought that, hey, Luna's going to go up forever. Let's take long positions on that, and let's make a ton of money, and ka-chunk, bang, what happened? They got wrecked, guys. Solana, also Matic, XRP, Sushi, Sand, Dot, anything that was, showing really good signs of life, the greedy longs, the leverage traders bet against it, and guys, you know what? Now they're going to have to buy their positions back. This means it's going to see a huge short squeeze coming, guys. So don't panic in the house. This is just a momentary correction. I still believe that we're going to be going uppity up, guys. So I'm not panic. It's one of those things. Welcome to crypto land. Welcome to crypto land right now. And we're seeing that the fear and greed index is at 41. And considering that yesterday we were 40, we went up a little bit. So the sentiment in the house is looking pretty positive, guys. And I still believe that we could enter into a super cycle, absolutely a super cycle, guys. Just be careful, guys. Just be careful, because, sometimes when we get to the end of the year, we see that, a lot of TA, a lot of charts, they can go wonky here and there. So this is from TED Talk, Marco, and he's saying why we can't have nice things happen to BTC. Well, like I said, the reason we're not having nice things happen to BTC right now is because the open interest, the leverage traders, the greedy leverage traders are wrecking the show, wrecking the party for all us spot traders, guys. Remember, when you leverage trade, guys, and the price goes down the price goes lower to the max pain level than your original staking price, what happens is you lose everything. You get nothing. At least when you spot trade, or you just buy the coins, if the price goes up and down, you still got your coins. So don't leverage trade, guys. It's absolutely bad news out there. Do not do it. Do not leverage trade out there. And and Ted is saying funding led price to price at all-time highs, indicating that this move was mostly derivative driven, and it's unsustainable, guys. Watching out for Bitcoin to find support on a neutral funding for sustainable move into 53K. So basically, we saw that the funding rate was going up, the price was going down, and this is often a pretty nasty indicator in the house, guys, because when the funding going up, it means that more and more people are betting that Bitcoin is going to either go up or go down. So in this case, we're seeing that there was more leveraged long positions than there were leveraged shorts, guys. That's all there is to it. And these guys got wrecked. They're out of there. So, but some of the positive news out there is we're seeing that major brands like Adidas and Nike are hopping onto the NFT wagon, guys. And can we confidentially say that crypto adoption has begun? Because, we have big brands aping into NFT, and that's crypto, guys, or if we barely scratch the surface. So, what I really think is I think that that crypto has gone mainstream. It's here already. And guys, and when we have big brands, even Budweiser, right? Budweiser, some of the top brands are starting to get into NFTs. We got NFL teams, we got hockey teams, we got, basketball teams, we got soccer teams, all going nuts on NFT, guys. So this really tells me that crypto is going mainstream. And what makes this bull run different than any other bull run, I keep saying it over and over again, is we got huge institutions buying up the crypto. We got ETFs. Sure, we don't have a spot ETF in America. That's a Debbie Downer. That's because Gary Gensler don't get it. But overall things are looking pretty good. So this bull run has been really kind of bizarre and strange. One of the things that we're looking at here is if we look at this bull run here, typically November and December in the past have been pretty bullish, guys. You can see here. But this November, we're down like 7%. So far, a month to date, we're down 13%, right? We're down 13%. So what that makes me believe is if you look here in 2019, we had 2 months down, followed by 2020, we had a big pop in January. And I think that we're going to see a huge rise in January. I think we're going to see a pop pretty similar to 2019, guys. So things are looking pretty good. If you zoom in, it's looking not so bad. But if you zoom out on Bitcoin right now, it's not too bad. You can see that the overall trajectory on the weekly is looking okay. Sure, we've had some peaks, some valleys, and we got above the 21-day EMA yesterday, and when we got rejected, guys, and I believe that was the time, because when we got above that, you saw a lot of people aped into leverage long positions on Bitcoin and thought, that's it, here we go, we're above the 21-day EMA, let's make massive gains out there, it's insane. And what happened is the market manipulators, the exchanges, they said, no, okay, we're not going to have any of this, we're out of there. And we know, and people started dumping their Bitcoin. A couple of whales dumped their Bitcoin, and what happened is it created a cascading effect, and Bitcoin went down, and it was done purely to wreck their leveraged longs, because as I said, the majority of the open interest was leveraged longs, guys. It's all longs. You don't see any short positions here. It's all long positions, guys. It's all long positions right there. So they got wrecked, guys. And the majority of it was on Binance, guys. Come on. So don't let anyone tell you that this is a natural occurrence like breathing air. It's manipulation, guys. Because remember, crypto is still not regulated, right? Ding. So just remember that. So this is from Kevin Swenson. Now I tweeted this out earlier to my members and super chat. The current BTC formation on the weekly chart is strikingly similar to the end of September bottom formation. This current short-term dip may end up just being a wick on its weekly candle before a continued bullish reversal. So I believe that this whole bit of a dip today, and we're only talking about 3 to 4% dip, and a lot of my members, a lot of my subscribers have been messaging me like crazy, going, oh gee, it's the end, we're going down, we're going to zero. Guys, stop it. We saw this kind of behavior way back in September here, and this is just, we're going to have a huge bullish reversal. Basically, it's the exchanges basically flushing out all the leverage longs, guys. So stop it. Stop panicking in the house, guys. Stop it. And this is a good time to be buying a dip. I'm going to be buying a dips. So if we look at Valerio, and he's looking at Bitcoin on a weekly, let's take a look at 2017 and 2021. So let's take a look at that, as they are both key years in the BTC bull run. So if we go back to 2017, we can see these were pretty. This was a pretty good year, right? 2021, it's kind of been a weird year, right? We're still up. Year to date, Bitcoin is still uppity up, but it's been a weird one, right? We've seen a lot more red than green. So in 2017 we saw 1, 2, 3 red months. In 2021 we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red month. And remember, December's not over. So there's some slim possibilities that we could be going green in 2021 in December. But I think there's a slim chance of that. But this has been a weird one, and I think it's been wacky. It's been wild. We're seeing a lot more institutions, as I said, aping in. So a lot of people say, so Daryl, we got all this adoption, we got institutions, and why is it still going down? Guys, because you got to be patient, okay? Because we're going to get into a super cycle. I believe that this bull run is not over. It's going to continue, guys. It's going to continue. And, diamond hands, guys. Diamond-handed, guys. Diamond-handed. So what he's saying is that, all 5 corrections in 2017 ended with a bullish engulfing candle, guys. So in 2021, 1 correction ended with a doji candle and 2 corrections in the bullish engulfing candle. So what he's saying is, with this little bit of correction here, we could see a bullish engulfing candle, and that's going to validate that we could see Bitcoin going up, guys. And I still think we're going to hit all-time highs soon, guys. Maybe not in December, guys. Maybe not in December, because right now is December 28th. We got the 9th, the 29th, the 30, 31, right? January is going to be a nothing burger, because everybody's going to be, too busy, waking up late because, they had too much sauce the night before. So you're going to see the volumes go low. So we're probably going to see in January, we're going to see the December bull run that we expected, but it's been moved forward to January. It's been kind of like, push the fast forward to January. It's going to happen, guys. That's what I think. I could be wrong. Remember, this is not financial advice. What do you guys think? Do you think the bull run is over and December 31st we're going down like the Titanic, bing, we're out of there? Or is this going to be extended and we're going to see a fast forward of the bull run, and we're going to see a bitty man, little bitty baby Bitcoin start to see all-time highs in January? What do you guys think? Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and comment. I want to hear what you got to say, guys. Make some noise in the comments. Come on, make some noise. And guys, and if you're watching, don't forget to give some super whoopie chats. Show some love for the OG, guys. So also too, we're seeing, this is from Sentiment right now, and this is really, and this just came out, and Bitcoin continues to circulate in a semi-bullish territory, according to our latest NVT model data. With BTC back under 50K, circulation staying steady is encouraging to see, as it implies utility is remaining at a justifiable level versus market cap. So what they're saying is here that the BTC price and the NVT, it's in balance, it's justifiable. So this is a good place to be, and we could see that this is going to be the tipping point, the bounce off point for the bitty. And I'm talking about Bitcoin, guys. And the reason I'm talking, people are like, oh gee, what are you doing, man? You're the Dogecoin guy, and you're talking about Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is the big daddy, the king daddy, my little bitty baby, Bitcoin. If Bitcoin don't move, Doge ain't moving, guys. And that's a fact of it. When Bitcoin goes down, Dogecoin goes down. And we're seeing also that Bitcoin is also influencing other meme coins like the Shiba Weeby, Saitama, Floki, everything in the house, and all the altcoins are kind of like dependent on Bitcoin right now. And the main catalyst why we see this dependency is because, what? Think about it. Dominance. Guys, what do you guys think? Tell me, smash up the comments. Do you think that Bitcoin dominance plays an important part in terms of the pricing of the altcoins? Does it? Does it? Does Bitcoin dominance affect if we're in altcoin season or not? Let me know what you think. Smash the likes. Don't forget to comment. Subscribe, YB. And we can see more evidence of that right here, guys, in the circulating supply of Bitcoin and the Bitcoin price. We can see that it's right here, guys. So we're seeing it's looking pretty healthy, guys. It's looking pretty healthy. So this is some biggest letdowns in crypto in 2021. So this is some Debbie Downer, weak Nancy things that happened in 2021. So I just thought, I think this is an interesting article. We had this whole Gary Gensler in the house rejecting the whole Van Eck spot Bitcoin ETF. Now Canada has a spot Bitcoin ETF, and this is really important because a spot Bitcoin ETF means you're actually purchasing the real Bitcoin, where the current ETFs are basically futures based, and so you're not really holding it. You're holding basically paper that says the promise to execute. So you're really not holding real Bitcoin. So that's why Bitcoin spot ETF is really important, guys. Some other Debbie Downer stuff that happened is Ethereum network gas fees were out of control, even though we had this whole EIP. The EIP thing that allowed us to burn more Ethereum, it really didn't have much of an impact. This whole EIP 1559. Now we thought that this would have a huge impact, and we've already burned 1.244 million Ethereum has been burned, and that's worth about $4.96 billion have been burned. That's a huge bonfire, guys. A huge bonfire. But at the end of the day, we're still seeing the gas fees are going to be going nuts and they're going insane. And that's why it's so important that when Ethereum moves from, proof of work to proof of stake, we're going to see that the gas fees are going to come down. And that's going to happen in Q2 2022. So when that happens, absolutely, we're going to see more utility on Ethereum. We're going to see more ERC20 coins explode. And that's why we're seeing more and more layer 1s and layer 2s like Luna, Polkadot, Solana, Phantom, all of these coins and Metis DAO. That's why they're all being very successful right now, because the gas fees, guys. So that's what's going on with that. So some other Debbie Downer stuff that we got going on is, I love Solana. Solana's beautiful, but Solana has had a lot of DDoS outages right now, so they need to get their act together on that. And also in 2021, we did see a lot of blockchains did get compromised. And that's to be expected when prices go up. The nefarious agents out there, they have these coordinated attacks and stuff on different blockchains. But it's interesting to note that Bitcoin has never had any nefarious agents compromise the Bitcoin blockchain. It's the most secure. It's the most secure out there, guys. So this is really bullish news. So guys, come on, wake up. So some other Debbie Downer stuff that we had this year was we had Binance Smart Chain Network Security explodes. So back in August and April, we had Binance was also exploited, and they had about nearly 17 billion in TVL at all-time high. And they had some exploits too, guys. So remember, nothing is secure. That's why I always tell you, turn on two-factor authentication. Man, this is not financial advice. And if you can do it, get your crypto on a Tracer wallet or a hardware wallet. I use Tracer, guys. I'm not chilling. But guys, what do you think? Do you think that the best way to secure your crypto is on a decentralized exchange and or a software wallet like MetaMask or Trust, or a hardware wallet? Smash the like, subscribe. Tell me, what do you think is the best way and the safest way to store your crypto, guys? Tell me right now. I'd love to hear what your comments are. So those are some of the Debbie Downer stuff. But I think we still got lots and lots of to look forward to in terms of 2022, guys. I think 2022 is going to be huge, guys. I don't think we're going to see this big giant, blow off top and Bitcoin going down like 50-60%. I think we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to maybe go sideways, and then we're going to go up, and everything's going to be looking fine and dandy, guys. Some other stuff that's coming in is a countdown to the yearly close. 5 things to watch for this week for Bitcoin, guys. So we're definitely going to be seeing some volatility, guys. We're going to be seeing the open interest is going to go nuts. And don't forget, we've got the year-end CME futures that are going to close at the end of the year. So this is gonna create some volatility, guys. So definitely gonna create some volatility in the end of the year. So we also got this whole plan B. He got beaten up a lot because this whole stock to flow model got out of there. He was out of there because remember, he was looking at 100K by the end of the year. It didn't happen. So plan B, I still respect you, brother. You got it right, like 80%, but it's okay. So, he's kind of revised this now. In my humble opinion, we are still in the exact same spot as we were in March 2019 when I published the STF model. So at the low end of first, so he's still saying we could still hit 100,000, but it's just delayed. I think it's just delayed, guys. I think it's just delayed. So also we got the open interest is a time bomb, and we're seeing the effects of this time bomb for open interest right now. We got over 300 million liquidated, guys. Liquidated, so leverage long. Stop being greedy, leverage long traders, because it ruins the party for everybody. Stop it, guys. Stop it. The other stuff is, a lot of people are saying, has the altcoin super cycle has arrived according to analysts and Nickel, whatever his name is. Here are 4 crypto assets to watch. I don't think the super cycle is here yet, but this guy is saying that, we want to be looking at we want to be looking at Aave in-house, guys. And it says up 5%. So you may want to look at that. I'm not sure about that. YFI, I don't know about that. So, I don't think that the super cycle is here yet. I think it's a bit of a nothing burger. I don't think it's going to happen just yet, guys. So this is from Rec Capital, and what he's talking about is the green 21-day EMA resistance represents a price of 51.7, guys. So yesterday we did get above that, but we got rejected, right? BTC needs to flip the green EMA into support to confirm a breakout to the upside and confirm the end of the correction. So I believe that we're going to see Bitcoin go back up again to the 21-day EMA very shortly. And right now, if you look at the 21-day EMA, it's at 51.50. It's around about 51.6, 51.7 in the house. I think we're going to get back up there, guys. I really hope that Bitcoin will hold some support. And we're looking right now that Bitcoin right now is just at the support of 59.2 right now, and let's hope it can stay up. And it's just going down below the Ichimoku support level right now. So if it goes below this level, then we could be in trouble. Then we could see Bitcoin going down to 45. I don't think it's going to happen. I think that we're going to get supported. I think once the U.S. opens up, we're going to see a bit of a rebound, guys. But once again, the reason we're seeing bitty go down, itty bitty baby go down, is because of leverage longs got wrecked. They got out of there, guys. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Doge Wozer in the house. So right now, Doge is at 18 cents. It's exactly being supported by my 18 cent support line, guys. So that is okay. Let's keep an eye on that. I was expecting, with all this turbulence for Bitcoin, that we're expecting more of a wick down for Dogecoin. So it's holding its own. So that's pretty good, guys. Let's take a look at Saitama in the house right now. Come on, Saitama. Come on, Saitama. You can do it. We're looking at Saitama is also wick down right now. It's at 36.73. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I was expecting more of a wick down. I mean, this was a bit of a huge wick from this morning, and this went down almost. Let me get this out of there. Almost went down around about 5%. So we're down right now on total. Let me just say how much we're down. Let me just paint that for a price range. So if you look from the top of this to where we are now, we're down around about 6.29%. It's not too bad, guys. It is absolutely not too bad. If you look at how far Bitcoin is down right now from this morning, this is on the 4-hour. It's on the 4-hour. Where's my thing? Let me see on the price range right here. We can see that from the top of here to now, we are down around about 5.67%. So it's pretty much in the same line. So you're seeing Saitama going down 5.67%. Let's take a look at the Doge, see how far Doji Wozer has gone down. And the Doja Wozer as well has also gone down, probably about the same, I would imagine. And this is on the 4-hour. So we paint it from here and we go down here. And Doge is also down the same. So we're seeing that, the cascading the reason that Dogecoin and everything's going down is because Bitcoin. That's all, because Bitcoin down is there. So that's all there is to it. Let's take a look at Matic in the house. We're seeing Matic as well as down almost the same. It's at 2.61 as well. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is wow. Ethereum is not faring too well. Let's take a look at where Ethereum has dropped right now. Ethereum is also down around about 5.9%. So it's exactly the same. Ethereum is trading at 3.901. So Ethereum has dropped down the same level as Bitcoin. What I would be doing, this is not financial advice, I would be buying the dips, guys. This is a good time to be buying the dips, guys. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. And Solana has dropped down. You know, it went above $200 yesterday. It's dropped down about to about 189. And let's take a look at how far Solana has dropped from where we were to yesterday. This is on the daily, so this is where we dropped today. And we've only gone down about 6% as well. So everything's dropping in line with Bitcoin's dumpity-dump-dump. So this is a good time to be buying the dips, guys. Buy the dips. Guys, what do you think? Smash the like, subscribe, super chats. Do you think this is a good time to buy the dip? Make a comment. I want to hear what you got to say, guys. And with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the total market cap in the house. Let me give this a minty refresh. Minty refresh in the house. So we're seeing that, yesterday we saw that the market cap went as high as 2.5 trillion. It dropped down to about 2.42, and now it's at 2.37. The volumes are picking up because people are getting less in the festive mood, and we're seeing that the volumes are at 70.94. A lot of that is selling right now, guys. Do not panic. And the Bitcoin dollars has slightly gone up to 39.11. So let's take a look at the coiny warnies in the house. But I still believe there is massive, massive gains to be made, guys. And right now, Bitcoin is down 3.53%. And it's at 49,000 and a little bit of change, guys. A little bitty change. And I'm pretty sad with, we're seeing that right now Ethereum is down 3.77%. And that's at 3,911. We're seeing BNB's defying odds, guys. It's up 0.13%. It's at 549 in the house. We're seeing Solana is down a massive 5.24%. But it's still up for the week, so that's not too bad, guys. ADA's gone down as well. It's down 6%. So like I said, I'm a buyer at $1, guys. I'm still waiting for that buck to come in. And we're seeing that Luna, and this is because of all those short positions, right? Come on, guys. I told you, look at Luna. Remember, Luna had all these short positions. People got wrecked, and that's why we're seeing Luna down where it is right now. And that's why Luna is off almost 10%, and it's at 89.38. And we're seeing that DOT is down as well. It's down 6.94%, and that is also because of look at all the leverage longs on DOT, guys. It's 5.7 million. So that's why we're seeing that down as well, because all these leverage longs got wrecked. We're seeing Avalanche down. We're seeing Doge down 4%, and it's at 18 cents right now. We're seeing the Shibi Weeby down 3.5%. We're seeing Matic down 7.48%. And one of the reasons why Matic is down lower than market, because we can see that a lot of people took there's leverage longs also on Matic as well. Look at Matic, 8.32 million, guys. Also Solana, 9.15 million. These people all got wrecked, right? All got wrecked. And this is what is contributing to these coins going down. So you're seeing most altcoins are pretty much red. So what should you be doing? Buy the dips. Hodl, don't panic, guys. Don't panic. And the reason we're seeing this is because of all the leverage longs got wrecked. They got out of there, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. Follow. We got 3,552 followers. Go follow, guys. You get free news, free tips, free tips and tricks. And all sorts of good stuff, guys. And if you want to, send me a DM over on my Twitter, I'll try to answer to you. Also, we've got our Telegram group as well, guys. Go check out our Telegram group as well. You can find the description and the link to that in the description of the video, guys. And don't forget, one last time, where are the super chats? Hit me up with a super chat. Go down there, smash the likes, comment. What did you think about this video? And subscribe, guys. If you're watching for the first time, subscribe. Subscribe, please do it, guys. And go down and check the descriptions, guys. Become a Patreon member if you want, and buy the channel a coffee. Show some support, show some love. And don't forget to go to the Wifey's channel, guys. Go over there. We got lots of Christmas videos. It's still Christmas time, right? So go over there. Do it right now. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Gear up to the OG merch, guys. Get the mug, get the backpack. Show some love in the house. And, with that being said, guys, do not panic about crypto. Right now, we're seeing BTC is down 3.69%. We're seeing Ethereum is down. We're seeing a lot of stuff down. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's going to come back, guys. Remember, we got CME futures expiring on Friday. So watch out for that. We could see some more volatility. We're going to see some volatility until Friday, guys. Okay? So don't panic in the house, guys. So I just want to say, don't panic. Dollar cost average. Hollow. Wait for the life-changing wealth. I don't believe the bull run is over. Guys, do your own fact checking. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, but I just want to say God bless each and everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I love it. You love it. God bless you all. Make every second count, guys. This is the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house. Bringing you crypto love over the interwebs, guys. And don't forget to love this channel. Love this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Dogecoin to the moon, guys.